So if you have been following this YouTube channel, you know that I'm already obsessed with finding the smart tools that help creators, entrepreneurs and developers build faster. Usually I talk about AI tools or coding apps, but today I found something that's all about business. Because what's the point of building something if you can't actually turn it into income, right? Let's talk about how you can build, source and launch a real-world business right from your mobile phone. I'm talking about Alibaba.com mobile app. And it's honestly one of the most powerful platforms that I have tried for product sourcing and scaling a business. Alibaba.com is already one of the world's biggest B2B marketplaces. Millions of people use it to find factories, manufacturers and wholesalers for literally everything. But what really changes the game now is how much you can directly do inside their mobile application, and that's what I want to focus on. For creators and entrepreneurs who want to run their business on the go, the app makes sourcing, messaging suppliers, and managing orders way easier. You don't even need a laptop anymore. Everything from product research to chatting with suppliers happens right inside the app. Here's why I think this is a big deal. We live in an era where people are building apps, AI tools, and digital businesses, but at the end of the day, physical products still dominate. Every influencer, every startup, they are launching merch, gadgets, skincare, coffee brands, you name it. Most people stop because they think manufacturing is too complicated or too expensive. That's where Alibaba.com app breaks the barrier. You can connect directly with suppliers who make the products that you need at wholesale prices straight from your phone. Let me just show you how simple this is. I will open the Alibaba.com mobile app and search for something like AI gadgets or maybe smart desk accessories. And right away you can see verified suppliers, pricing, quantity and even shipping options. You can filter by ready to ship, low-MOQ, which means minimum order quantity, and even suppliers that support custom branding. You can literally start a brand by ordering 10 or 20 pieces instead of 1000. Each listing shows certifications, trade assurance, and whether they accept secure payments. That means your money is protected until your items are shipped and confirmed. Now let's imagine I'm building a fitness and wellness brand instead of just another digital product. So inside the app, I can find things like resistant band sets, massage guns, and stainless steel shaker bottles. For example, you will see resistant band sets with a low MOQ, sometimes as low as 20 or 30 sets at around $3 to $5 per set. And very similar products are selling on overseas e-commerce platforms for $20 to $30 per set. That gives you a very real sense of margin potential even on a small test batches. Now with the app, I can contact the factory directly, no middleman. I can ask for my logo on the product, request samples and negotiate prices all from the chat inside the app. So I just typed, "Can you print my logo on the sample?" and suppliers respond almost instantly, and that's something that used to take days via email. Now let's say I want to place a sample order. I click buy now and you'll see multiple payment options: card, PayPal or Alibaba's secure payment system called trade assurance. They also support global payments, so creators and small businesses can buy or sell instantly. And because it's mobile, you can track every step from order to production to delivery all in one place. Here's what stands out the most. Number 1, verified suppliers, real businesses with track records. Number 2, low MOQ orders, perfect for small creators testing ideas. Number 3 is their mobile first experience. You can run your business directly from your pocket. Number 4 is built-in communication and payments, no third-party kiosks. From AI startups to digital tools, this is the easiest way to go from idea to real product. Now I'll be honest, the app is not trying to be fancy, it's not flashy, it's built for speed and reliability. The goal is not to make you scroll, it's to make you start. So if you are serious about creating something physical, your own brand or product or even dropshipping store, this app gives you access to the same factories that big brands use. So yeah, if you have been waiting to start your own product line or just want to see how easy it is to find suppliers, try Alibaba.com mobile app. You can download it right now on iOS or on Android. The link is in the description below. Try exploring it for 10 minutes. You'll be shocked at how many ideas pop up. And who knows, your next business could start literally from your phone. And finally, thanks to Alibaba.com for sponsoring this video. And if you found this helpful, drop a comment below and tell me what kind of product you would love to create next. I see you next video. Bye-bye.